Alrighty, what is up you guys? I know you can't see me very well, but we are headed to Grand Lake this morning. Dad's fishing a tournament there tomorrow. We're going for the first day of practice, so I'm running a little late. It's about 5:30, 5:45, so we're gonna get out there as quick as we can. So we'll catch y'all here after a while when we get up there. It's about an hour drive or so, we'll see y'all in a bit. Here's the second one of the day. Dad already caught a small white bass, but here's another one. Not exactly what we're after, but we'll take it over nothing. Well, we're killing the white bass, so throw him back on the old baby blue and chartreuse square bill. So see what we can get done. Not kicking.
Somebody caught him and he's probably a short. His face got messed up.
Oh yeah. He'd been dead for a while.
Oh really? Look at the color. It's not hard.
We'll let him go. He might make it. Alrighty guys, caught the state record bluegill here. I say about 3 pounds. Do you got one on?
No.
All right, well we'll throw this one back and let him get even bigger. Alrighty, Dad's got one on. Oh, it's a stick. Well, that's a fish.
Well, it felt like a fish.
A 3 pounder. Gosh, dang. Take it off.
No stick.
Gosh, dang, man.
It was a bite though. I jerked into the stick.
First largie of the day.
Man, he's a big one.
Diddle guy.
Look at his eye.
Oh, it's all bulged out.
I guess we'll let this one go.
Yeah, we'll leave him be. He lost a crappie at the boat a minute ago, but we'll keep at it.
Caught one.
Finally got his crappie in.
Foul hooked him.
There was a snake behind me. Oh, that's cheating.
See, I got under his mouth.
Yeah. He's not a bad one.
I don't know what the length limit is here.
Probably 10.
He's not 10.
We'll throw him back.
He's 9 1/4. Hold up, man.
Yeah, he got another crappie. He got me a little bluegill. I don't think he's 10 either, so we'll throw him back. Oh, yeah.
Cool though.
Found a little crappie hole.
There's another one of them little jigs right there. We'll
Yeah.
put it on that.
Little head.
I'll throw it right in there. That's where I'm getting bit every time.
Alright.
He might be 10 inches.
I don't know.
Here, try this pull.
8 and 1/4.
9 1/2. Yep.
9 1/2. What's that?
There's a bass right here.
Yeah, there's at least one. He's not very big, but
You're right. We were gonna catch at least one decent one.
one decent one. So we'll throw him back. Alrighty, got the first legal crappie. Lost one about twice this size right here off the edge of the boat a minute ago, but we'll throw him in the live well and keep at it. Alrighty, you guys. Literally last cast, we gotta head out to go pick up my little brother, but I told him I cast it out. He's like, all right, let's go. I said, well, I'm gonna catch a 10 pounder real quick. Well, not quite a 10 pounder, but I lost one easy that big like a couple minutes ago back there. I wonder what he weighs.
Let's say 3.
Oh, oh.
At least 3.
Uh-oh, don't go out. He's not a bad one. Same square bill. I'm gonna let Dad borrow that tomorrow for his tournament, but he'll probably lose it.
We'll buy you another one.
He's not a bad one.
About 3.5.
3.5?
Yep.
Cool.
I don't have my digital skill out, but close enough to I'll throw them back, so we'll catch them tomorrow.
Yeah. We'll let Dad win the tournament on him. Alrighty. Well, we'll throw him back and we're getting ready to head in. So hope y'all enjoyed the video and we'll catch y'all later.